Storm Team 29 forecast.
Good Tuesday evening. There is the view as seen from Carter Mountain as we look off to the west. Yeah, extensive cloud cover blanketing the region today, holding the temperatures down for some summer shade, but certainly it is still humid. Now, we still run the risk of a few showers. We'll get to that in a moment, but things are pretty quiet currently. 81 is the number at the airport, touching 83 for a high today. A dew point of 70, which is certainly ripe with the high humidity. 76 currently at the Valley Airport in Weir's Cave, touching 79 for a high today. And some other numbers at this hour include 79 in Louisa, same there in Palmyra. We have 75 in Waynesboro and 76 currently in Stanton. We do have a flood watch in effect for Rockingham County, Harrisonburg, Page County, points north and west, and currently that's where most of the shower and thunderstorm activity is out across West Virginia. A local look, well, things are pretty quiet. Over the next few hours into tonight, early tomorrow morning, there could certainly be some scattered showers or an isolated storm. Not everyone sees rain, but because of this humidity that's in place and the approaching cool front acting upon it, there could certainly be some heavier downpours. But right now, things are pretty quiet. You can see most of this activity back across West Virginia is headed off to the north and east. Temperatures here for the overnight, either side of 70, mild and muggy. Again, a few scattered showers. Tomorrow we should begin with some clouds, and then those clouds will erode for some sunshine. Our winds will shift out of the northwest behind the front, while temperatures will be much warmer tomorrow, mid to upper 80s. Slowly throughout the day, especially tomorrow evening, tomorrow night, you should notice that drop off in the humidity. Now Thursday, we'll have breezy conditions, a cooler day. We have high pressure to the north and tropical storm Idalia off to our south and east on Thursday. So northeasterly winds will keep things a little bit breezy. But look at these morning lows as we get into Friday. Daytime highs are in the upper 70s to around 80, so some pleasant weather there. Well, a couple of features here. We have a cool front that's off to our north and west. Another one that's south and east of Chicago. That'll usher in the drier conditions, the less humid conditions later tomorrow evening. Then offshore, we have Hurricane Franklin, Category 3 hurricane. It is basically just 300 miles or so to the west of the island of Bermuda, generating big swells here along the eastern seaboard, and that's going to be the case over the next several days. And then Hurricane Idalia, which is headed due north at about 16 miles an hour. It's not only strengthening, it's accelerating as it gets into this Big Bend area of Florida late tonight and early tomorrow morning. We're talking about a life-threatening storm surge. Some locations could have 7 to 15-foot storm surge in that area. And then, of course, the hazards that go with a landfalling tropical system, including tornadoes, the very heavy rain, and, of course, the destructive wind with that landfalling system. So the forecast track does show this strengthening upon landfall sometime early tomorrow morning. It'll still be a hurricane as it moves in later tomorrow afternoon across southeast Georgia. Then it hugs the coast of the Carolinas and then moves back offshore. And look over the weekend, it kind of hangs out between the U.S. and the island of Bermuda, so we'll still be talking about Idalia. And again, the heaviest rain focused just near the coast and just inland. So again, those will be some big numbers there, 4 to 6 plus inches of rain easily. So here we are this evening and tonight, a few showers around, some downpours. And then as we go through the morning hours, some cloudiness, and that should give way to some sunshine, temperatures in the mid to upper 80s. Then on Thursday, the clouds that you see in association with the tropical system to the south, high pressures to the north, so breezy northeasterly winds, temperatures by afternoon in the mid to upper 70s. Tonight, either side of 70, some scattered showers. Tomorrow, clouds and sun mixed, a warmer day, humidity dropping off, breezy on Thursday, but some cooler numbers here for the late week. And look at the Labor Day weekend, Casey and Steve. Temperatures will start comfortable, and then we're going to heat up pretty quickly. Low 90s for Labor Day Monday.
All right, Eric, thank you.
Thank you.
And of course, a check of your forecast from the NBC29 meteorologist you trust is available anytime on the Storm Team 29 weather app. Download the app to track radar and get hour-by-hour forecasts and weather alerts. Just open up your camera app and point it toward the QR code on your screen or scan it anytime.